So, hello everyone, welcome back to Educlynk. So today we're going to see actually correction of exercise 1. So in exercise 1, we're asked to identify the bond type in the following compounds. The compounds are we have water, hydrogen sulfides, lithium oxides, copper, and CO. So here we can draw a table, put in the tabular form. So here we can say species, bond type, and take the one of water. How do we know to know the type of bond present in the compound? We check if there's the presence of a metal or a non-metal in the compound. We take the case of water. Water is H2O. We have hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen being a non-metal, oxygen being a non-metal. The resultant bond is a covalent bond. Actually, for water we have a covalent bond, but not any type of covalent bond. Remember that we saw that covalent bonds are divided into two. We have a simple covalent bond and dative covalent bond. In this case, we have simple covalent bond. Simple covalent. Take the second one. Hydrogen sulfide. Clearly see that hydrogen sulfide is not different from water. Hydrogen being non-metal, sulfur is non-metal, extracted by the flash process. So in this case, we have a simple covalent bond. Simple covalent. Lithium oxides. Actually, lithium is a group 1 element. Obviously, group 1 element are called alkali metals. So alkali metals, lithium is actually a metal. Oxygen is a non-metal. And we said clearly that, okay, the bond between a metal and a non-metal is an ionic bond. So you have an ionic bond. Ionic bond. Next, CO or copper, sorry. Copper obviously is a metallic bond because copper is not bonded to any guy. So have copper as a metal. The metal used to make electric cables. So copper is a good conductor of heat and electricity. So the bond type is a metallic bond. So lastly, we are going to have the molecule of CO. CO among these guys is a bit complex, is a bit tough. So we are going to draw the Lewis representation for CO. Actually, so that we can know the type of body present in the compound. So the Lewis representation of CO have C. So in CO, we have two types of bond. We have simple covalent bond between carbon and O. We have also a dative covalent bond. But if they ask you guys to identify the bond present, the dative covalent bond dominates on the covalent bond. So it's more pronounced. So in this case, we are going to say CO is having a dative covalent bond. So in the tabular form, these are the various species and their bond type. So we have the one of water, simple covalent bond, hydrogen sulfide, simple covalent bond, lithium oxide, ionic bond, copper, metallic bond, and we have also CO. CO is a dative covalent bond. Okay, thank you for watching. Follow more on Educlynk for exercise 2.